Hello my dear friends, welcome back to our exciting Abacus tutorial channel. Today we are going to practice more multiplication sums that some of our learners find a bit tricky. But don't worry, with a solid understanding of Abacus addition and subtraction rules, you will be able to solve them quickly and efficiently. Let's start by revisiting the Abacus place values. This is our home point or ones place. Moving to the left, we have tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and so on. In traditional multiplication, we usually start from the right side or units place. But on the abacus, we multiply from the left side, starting from the highest place value. This method simplifies calculation and makes solving sums faster. Let's multiply 89 by 78. First calculate 89 into 7 and start placing the product from the fourth rod as we are multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits, total 4 digits. 7 times 8, 56. Place 5 on fourth rod, place 6 on third rod. We stopped here. 7 times 9, 63. As we stopped here, we will start from that rod, add 6 on third rod and add 3 on second rod. We can add 3 directly, but we cannot add 6 directly on third rod. To add 6, we need to apply mixed complements. Less a 4, add a 10. We can add a 10, but we cannot less a 4. To less a 4, we will apply a different formula. Less a 5, add a 1. To less a 4 and add a 10. Next, calculate 89 into 8 and start placing the product from the third rod. 8 times 8, 64. We will add 6 on third rod and add 4 on second rod. We can add 6 on third rod directly because bits are pretty available. 5 and 1, 6 on third rod, and to add 4, we will apply 5's complements. Add a 5, less a 1. We stopped here. 8 times 9, 72. As we stopped here, we will start from that rod. We will add 7 on second rod and add 2 on first rod. We can add 2 directly, but we cannot add 7 on second rod directly. To add 7, we need to apply 10's complements. Less a 3, add a 10. We can add a 10, but we cannot less a 3. To less a 3, we need to apply a different formula. Less a 5, add a 2. To less a 3, add a 10. Here we have applied a mixed complements to add a 7. After following the abacus rules and applying necessary complement formulas, the final answer is 6942. 6942. Zoom the abacus this way. We are going to solve another interesting multiplication. You will get more new tricks from here. So, stay with us. Start placing the product from the fourth rod as we are going to multiply 2 digits by 2 digits, total 4 digits. 2 times 3, 6. We are multiplying 2 and 3, total 2 digits. But the product 6 is a single digit. That's why we will put a 0 before 6. Put 0 on fourth rod and put 6 on second rod. We stopped here. 2 times 7, 14. As we stopped here, we need to start from that place. 1 and 4, 14. 8 times 3, 24. We need to add 2 on third rod and add 4 on second rod. We can add 2 directly, but we cannot add 4 directly. To add 4, we need to apply 5's complements. Add a 5, less a 1. We stopped here. 8 times 7, 56. As we stopped here, we will start from that place. We need to add 5 on second rod and add 6 on first rod. We can add 6 directly, but we cannot add 5 directly on second rod. To add 5, we need to apply 10's complements. Less a 5, add a 10. Can we add a 10 here? No, we cannot add a 10 on third rod. To add a 10, we will apply 10's complements to add a 1. Less a 9, add a 10. As it is hundreds place, actually we less 900. And as it is thousands place, actually we add 1000. We less 900 and add 1000. The final answer is 1036. 1036. Now it's your turn. Solve 81 into 57 and let us know in the comments. Zoom the abacus. Here are some quick tips to master abacus multiplication. Break down the sum into smaller parts for clarity. Always recall your formulas to make calculation faster. Practice regularly. That's the key to mastering this skill. I hope you understood and enjoyed today's lesson. Stay tuned for more exciting abacus tricks in our next tutorial. Happy learning!